Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Lahore, Pakistan. अल फुरकानुल हकीम एकेडमी से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। स्टूडेंट, आज हम आपको वज़ू करने का तरीका बता रहे हैं। बहुत तवज्जो से आपने सुनना है। इससे पहले कि हम ये वज़ू का तरीका आपको बताएं तो आपसे एक इल्तमास भी करनी है कि मेरे इस चैनल अल फुरकानुल हकीम एकेडमी को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन, व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक पर भी शेयर करें ताकि आप भी मेरे साथ इस नेकी के काम में शामिल हो जाएं। और दूसरी आपसे इल्तमास ये करनी थी कि मैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कुरान मजीद तजवीद रूल्स ट्रांसलेशन उर्दू एंड इंग्लिश के साथ पढ़ा रहा हूँ। इसमें कोई एज लिमिट नहीं है, कोई भी पढ़ सकता है। बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, वुमेन, मेन एंड किड्स, सारे आप लोग पढ़ सकते हैं। दुनिया के किसी कोने में भी हैं तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में व्हाट्सएप नंबर, मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर और ईमेल एड्रेस, स्काइप आईडी भी दे दिया गया है। आप मुझसे वहाँ पर रब्ता कर सकते हैं। आइए सीखते हैं कि वज़ू का तरीका क्या होगा। Learn how to make wuzu step by step for kids, adult. Wuzu is a way to get cleanliness physically, spiritually, and a mental preparation of Muslims for offering namaz prayer, which is important pillar of Islam after saying shahadat during converting to Islam. We cannot offer salat without making wuzu or tayammum, masa, dry ablution using vessels of clay. Look at these pictures. Number one, niyyah. First of all, make intention niyyah in your heart that this act of making wuzu is for offering namaz or reading Quran just for sake of Allah. Then say Bismillah in the name of Allah. Step number two. Step number one, this one, wash both hands. Wash your both hands up to your wrist 3 times. Make sure that water has reached among the fingers and thumb too. Point number 2. Step 2, rinse your mouth. Take water in your palm of right hand and put it into your mouth. Keep on rinsing your mouth like this 3 times and make sure there's no more food remaining in your mouth. Step number 3. Rinse your nose. Take water in your palm of right hand and inhale it carefully into your nose 3 times. Use your left hand if necessary to help blowing it out. Step number 4, wash your face. Wash your whole face 3 times while starting from your forehead to the bottom of the chin and from your right ear to the left ear properly. Step number 5. Wash your arms. Wash your right hand up to the elbow properly and make sure that no part of the arm has been left dry. Then wash left hand like this 3 times. Step number 6. Perform masa. Wipe your both wet hand from forehead to back of your neck and then wipe back from your neck to forehead again. Do it only 1 time. Step number 7. Wipe your both ears, wipe the grooves and holes of ears with the wet index fingers of your both hands, while also using your thumbs of both hands to clean your behind ears from the bottom upward. Do it only one time. Step 8. Wash your both feet. Starting from right foot, wash your both feet to the ankles 3 times. Use your pinky finger and go through each toe to get rid of anything between the toes, and make sure the water has reached between the toes and covered the rest of the foot. Dua. After making wuzu in Arabic text, okay, read shahada dua. After completing wuzu, recite a dua of witness, shahada dua, while pointing the index finger of right hand to the sky as our beloved Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, used to say after making wuzu, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Meaning of dua shahada after wuzu: I bear witness that there is no deity other than Allah alone. He is alone, he has no partner, and I bear witness that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, is his chosen servant and true messenger. I hope so, student, you will like this video, this short video, okay, and may Allah show you the right path, okay, may Allah success you in deen, dunya and akhirah, and may Allah keep you always happy. Thank you very much for watching this short clip. Allah Hafiz.